Throughout history, there have always been people who designed and built tools or other devices to solve problems or improve lives. The concept of engineering has been around since ancient times, as primitive engineers created basic inventions such as the pulley, the lever, and the wheel. Each of these inventions is consistent with a modern definition of engineering and makes use of basic mechanical principles to develop useful tools and objects. Simple classic machines were known in the ancient Near East, and then the wheel, along with the wheel and axle mechanism, was invented in Mesopotamia, which is modern-day Iraq, during the 5th millennium BC. The oldest architect known by name, Imhotep, designed and executed the construction of the Pyramid of Djoser, a step pyramid, in the Saqqara region in Egypt around 2630 to 2611 BC. He is also credited with first using columns in architecture. In Persia, the oldest practical water-powered machines appeared in the 4th century BC, including the water wheel and the water mill. During the 6th century AD, Indian engineers invented the cotton gin, and by the 9th century AD, they designed wind-powered machines such as the windmill and the wind pump. Later, Arab engineers designed the spinning wheel in the early 11th century. This was essential to the growth of the cotton industry, which became the core of the early industrial revolution in the 18th century. European Renaissance. The first steam engine was built in 1698 by the mechanical engineer Thomas Savery. The development of this device led to the emergence of the Industrial Revolution in the coming years, which allowed the beginning of the mass production of engines of various functions. The modern era. The inventions of the Scottish engineer James Watt gave rise to the modern mechanical engineering, which opened the door wide for the development of specialized machinery and their maintenance tools during the Industrial Revolution, and led to the rapid growth of mechanical engineering in its native Britain and abroad. Chemical engineering, like mechanical engineering, developed in the 19th century during the Industrial Revolution. The work of James Maxwell and Heinrich Hertz in the late 19th century gave birth to the field of electronics and electrical engineering. Today, aeronautical engineering deals with aircraft design. This field of engineering has been growing day after day to allow humans to make their dreams come true to invade the outer space by designing better spaceships. Finally, with the advent of computer technology in the 1990s, the first search engine was built by the computer engineer Alan M. Taj. The brilliant minds of engineers are still creating whatever it takes to elevate our world, to make it a better place to live.